Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe in your home and doing your studies. So, today we are going to start our second chapter of Moral Science Duties to our Motherland. First of all, I'll tell you that India is not only a country. We Indian love India and we are very grateful to be an Indian. And we call India our motherland or Bharat Mata. And hence, when we take a pledge in school, what we say, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. So we are related to each other not by birth but by brotherhood. As we all are Indians, our motherland teaches us all that its great values like respect for elders, sacrifice of self interest, hard work, sincerity, and sacrifice and truthfulness. In our country, people fight for their rights and they are aware of their rights and duties, having the necessary facilities like water, food, clothes to wear, house to live, right to education, and medical treatments. See, construction of road is also a government work, okay? It's a duty of a government. Then, rights and duties to go hand in hand. Here, see what is given. Making of roads or public services, utility services means generally supply of goods and services that are essential like water, electricity, telephone and natural gas. These are the services that our government provides us. But some officers, what they do, they are very careless and they do not provide us these facilities in proper way. So directly or indirectly the local public suffers because of their lack of concern. Okay, so here I am seeing, see, it is our country's duty to give protection to us. See, here it is given, it if I have the right to live, it is the duty of others to let me live peacefully. Every citizen expects his country to give him protection. That means it is our country's duty to give protection to us. Thus, what is the duty of a good citizen? And as we also have some uh, duties and services. What is our duty? To respect and honor the national symbols, to work for the unity and prosperity of our country, to defend the honor of the nation at all costs, to love all men as brothers and sisters. Okay, what is meaning of prosperity? It means being successful, especially with money. Okay, so now what see here, john k John F Kennedy, during his first speech as president of United States of America, what he said to his fellow citizen that ask not what the country can do for you but ask what you can do for the country. That means ये मत पूछो कि देश ने हमारे लिए क्या किया, पर ये पूछो कि हमने अपने देश के लिए क्या किया है. Okay, so what this first speech of the president of United States of America is this thing I have explained you in Hindi. Okay, then after that, great men and women of country who laid down their lives for its freedom and prosperity taught us this lesson through their lives. That means Vallabhbhai Patel, some great leaders, some great freedom fighters like Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi Ji, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Ki Rani, these all great freedom fighters have given their lives for the freedom of our country. Okay, and do you know, students, that many saint, poets, writers were born in our country? See, here it is given. We are fortunate to be born in this country of Vedas and ancient scripts. Many saints, poets, writers are born in our country. And you know, one more thing I'll tell you. A great mathematician invented zero. Indian great mathematician invent zero. First he invented zero. His name is Brahma Gupta. Okay, he was born in India. Okay, then next paragraph I'll read. India today is a gift to us from our forefathers. Why India is a gift from our forefathers? I'll explain you this. We have got the freedom for our forefathers. That means our fathers, they have what they have given us freedom, because they might have given their contribution in the freedom of our country. So India is a gift to us from their our forefather. It is given by them. And the last line I'll read here: let us give them the best, let us do our duty and work for the progress of the nation, that India of tomorrow will become what we make it now for the future generation. That means if we have love and devotion